Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can check our notifications, and how to use quick actions. So to first check our notifications, you simply click on the top right corner on that last button and click on it. Now as you can see, here are all our notifications we got today. And if you slide down, here you will see all our quick actions. For example, tablet mode, if you click on it, it will immediately open, as you can see it did. As can see we have so many actions to choose from. Sometimes you might want to remove or add in some quick actions, so go on the top and click on Manage Notifications. Then go on this button, and here comes your results. If you want to remove one, simply click on this top right corner pin. And as you can see it automatically gone. Now let's add it back. If you click on Add, here you will see our tablet mode, so simply click on it. Now as you can it came back, and if you want to put it back on top, just long press, and then put it back you wanted it to be, and if you want, you can still add everything left. And as you can see it's not much, so TK finally save our settings, click on Done. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.